This is Olympiad problem. Let's see how we are going to solve this together. If your mathematics is not strong, okay, so you cannot do this. So that is the reason why you need to focus, okay, and see how we are going to solve this. Now here, I'm going to rewrite this equation in this form. You know, 9 to the power of x, we can have it at 3 to the power of 2, then to the power of x, minus here, I can write it at x to the power of 2 to the power of 2. Okay, because these two will multiply these two, and we're going to have 4. Then we have what? We have 65. Now, the next thing we're going to do here, from the law of indices, you know, we have a to the power of b and to the power of c. You can as well write it as a to the power of c, then to the power of b, so that the powers we have to interchange, okay? So that is what we're going to do here, and that is what very simple. So we go 2 will go up, 3, x will come in. We have this, then we have 2 minus x to the power of 2 to the power of 2 equals 65. Now, looking at this here, we can see that we are having 3 to the power of x inside the parentheses, x to the power of 2 inside the parentheses, but we are having square here. And that is difference of 2 square because of this negative sign that is here. So now you still also have to remember that when you have a square minus b square, so it's always a minus b, a plus b. That is what? That is difference of 2 squares. Now from here, we're going to apply that here. So now to do that, this is going to be 3 to the power of x minus x to the power of 2, then 3 to the power of x plus x to the power of 2, and everything is going to be 65. Now, you can see now here, we have factorized the left-hand side. 3x minus x squared, 3x plus x squared. We can factorize this as 5 multiplied by 13. Okay, now here, let's consider the value of x that is integer alone. Okay, so that's the reason why we can, let's just pick 5 and 13 being the factors of what? Of 65. Okay, now if you have that, you can see that we are going to do comparison. This 25 is this, or 65 is 5 times 13. So now we do comparison. When you look at this, you can see that this is smaller, so this will go with 5. This is bigger, this will go with what? 13. So therefore we're going to have 3 to the power of x minus x squared equals 5. I call this equation star. And we have 3 to the power of x minus what? Plus x squared. So x squared, and this is going to be what? It's going to be 13. I call this star star. So now from here, if you add these two equations together, so 3x plus 3x is going to be 2 lot of what? 3 to the power of what? X. And this will be cancelled. We have 5 plus this. We have what? We have 18. So we can divide both sides by 2. Okay? This will cancel this. We have 3 to the power of x equals 18 divided by 2. We have 9. So 3 to the power of x equals, now 9 is 3 to the power of 2. Are you following? So now, since we are having the same basis, so this implies that x equals 2. So we have the value of x to be 2. Now you can check whether what you have is right or not. Check 9 to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of 4. Is it going to give us what? 65? That is, if you put the value of x here, so you can see that it's going to be 81 minus 16. And that's going to give us 65. So we have 65 equals 65. Can you see that? And that's the solution. If you enjoyed this class, please share to your colleagues so they can learn from it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can see more of our amazing classes. Hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload new content. Thank you. Bye-bye.